This video follows the process of making a Lego block for Ryzom core. So I've made a quad patch and now I'm cutting a circle out of it. Using the extrude tool we can make a small clip downwards and we can then extend this inwards to get some more useful quads. Right now I'm still using FreeSmX's own editable patch modifier. We adjust the control points a bit to get a cleaner look. And we do the same thing for the circle in the middle. Using the spline controls we can turn this into an almost perfect circle. So again I clean up the control points a bit. And now I'm going to try to see if this works in Tile Painter. As you can see, it completely messes up. This is because the built-in editable patch does some things to the mesh structure that the converter doesn't like. So I just cut the patch into multiple pieces, and if we convert these one by one, as you will see, it should work fine. So here's the first part. Here on the second part you can see that the quads aren't oriented properly. This often causes issues. We can rotate this manually using the null patch edit plugin. Now we attach the two parts back together and as you can see it works. Here I just clean up the bad texturing a bit. And we do the same for the center part. Here I just weld everything back together and do the extrude again. And it works. But we still need to fix up the tiling of the extrude. This is also done with an LPatch edit plugin. As you can see, it's nicely tiled now. Now let's make the road through the landscape. We can only do one subdivide at a time, because when binding a vertex to an edge, it will always be centered. So we have to cut one edge further. Make sure to disable the propagate checkbox, otherwise it cuts through the entire patch. To cut this road, just extrude downwards, delete some faces and weld. It won't work yet though when trying the tile painter, because again we have to fix the tiling. If it still fails, you can try to find out where the issue is by deleting parts of the landscape. Turns out we can bind the corner point directly, so we have to cut all our edges a bit further. The vertices are bound to an edge by using the bind feature. Meanwhile, I've rescaled the other circle a bit to look more impressive. And now we'll just cut the road through, same thing, just extrude inwards, delete some faces and weld. These are the most useful operations for editing quad patches. We do have to fix up the spline controls to get the shape we want, and again fix the tiling and quad orientation as well. And we do the same for the second road. When you try the patch painter and it gives an error, it's usually caused by broken tiling, as you can see here. So in this height we'll cut out the tunnel, exactly the same again, subdivide, extrude, delete and weld, and fix the control point tiling and quad orientation. When rescaling things, again, you will have to fix up the tiling. Unfortunately, because the spline controls are too short now, the tiles are not divided evenly. So we have to scale the spline controls. Here I'm just cleaning up a bit, removing bad color and texture data from the quads. Some more tweaking. And we're done.